have worked as an artist duo for almost 2 decades now. When we met in the early 2000s, we came from very different backgrounds and we combined our skills, we became each other's teachers, and that's to this day a really important aspect of our collaboration. For this series that we're now going to exhibit at Larsen Warner in Stockholm, we have created a fictitious tribe of women that we have photographed in different stages of transformation.
For us, it's extremely important to be photographing with medium format. And what's interesting with the GFX100 too, it's a camera that is lightweight. It also has inbuilt stabilization, and for us that enables us to work without a tripod, which is extremely important to us.
It all always starts with photography as our main medium, but then we add different other layers of painting, of maybe texture, of fabric, and building up slowly an image that's as complex as us as human beings. The pixel shift function, for example, is an amazing tool for us to use exactly for that reason, that we can actually photograph our physical three-dimensional collage and preserve all that detail and depth.
For our exhibition entitled SIRENS at Larsen Warner, the public is really in for a treat because we're going to be showing new, unique collage works. Here you'll get a chance to see the three-dimensional layers and textures that make up the actual artworks that are created from a library of bodies combined with mixed mediums.
Our work centers around the female experience. We work with themes of illusion, of displacement, of the malleability of our identity.
We have been delving more and more into video projections. And these are filmed directly in camera with no visual effects. It's literally this live illusion of our fragmented bodies in motion.
Our main inspiration lies in painting and collage, and so for us it's really essential that we transmit that depth of color, the aliveness of the surface texture. With the GFX100 too, we have a tool that allows us to really blend that line between the real collage and the illusion of the image.